Guangzhou Rilink Trading Company Limited is a professional enterprise with 30 years of experience in the can-making industry. With its own factory, which covers an area of 70,000 square meters, the company is committed to providing high-quality metal packaging solutions to global customers. With years of industry accumulation and advanced production technology, cooperation countries covering South America, North America, Oceania, Africa and other places. The company has established long-term and stable cooperative relations with customers in many countries, providing exclusive customized services for each customer, and has won wide recognition in the international market with high-quality products and high-quality services. Rilink Company pays attention to and innovation and quality management, has a professional technical team and perfect production facilities, and can customize various types of metal packaging products for customers. It is mainly engaged in chemical cans, food cans, gift cans, aerosol cans and other products. The company adheres to strict quality control standards to ensure that each product meets international quality requirements. As a leader in the industry, Guangzhou Rilink Trading Company Limited has always been customer-centric, constantly improving production capacity and service quality, adhering to the concept of innovation, quality and efficiency, and continuing to create greater value for customers. After years of development, Rilink has been widely recognized in the domestic and foreign markets and actively expands its global business, committed to becoming a world-class metal packaging supplier. Welcome to visit our factory in China and become friends with each other.